Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making air fryer pork egg rolls. So what all goes into the air fryer pork egg rolls? 1/2 pound, 84% lean ground pork. This is 85% lean. This is 1.5 pounds. That was the only pack they had, so I'll be using about a third of it. 3 tablespoons low sodium soy sauce, divided. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 cups broccoli slaw. 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger. 8 egg roll wrappers. 1 beaten egg with 1 tablespoon water for the egg wash. For dipping sauce, homemade sweet and sour sauce that I made the other day. So let's begin. Take your 1/2 pound of ground pork, put it in a skillet over medium-high heat. Cook till it is done and no longer pink. So the pork is done, and I drained it, and there was hardly any grease at all, which is wonderful. Then pour 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce over the pork, and then sprinkle it with salt. Reduce the heat to low and cook this for 2 minutes. Dump in the 2 cups of broccoli slaw, the remaining soy sauce, and the 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. Give that a stir and cook that for about 5 minutes or until the broccoli slaw is tender. Preheat the air fryer. For 5 minutes at 350 degrees. So our air fryer is preheated. Take an egg roll wrapper. Take 3 tablespoons of the egg roll mix and put it about right there. Now I've never made egg rolls before, so hopefully I don't mess this up. And then fold that over, fold in the sides like this, and continue rolling. Take your egg wash and put it on, and I might be able to fill those a little bit fuller, I'm not sure. And then just put the egg wash on the little triangle there and fold it over so it will seal. Then I'm going to take a little bit of oil and I'm going to just brush on some oil on the top. And I'm going to set that aside until I make enough to go into the air fryer. So we take out our basket and we put in our egg roll. Hopefully 4 of them will fit in there with the seam side down, like that. Turn it to 350 for 10 minutes, turning halfway through. So here is what it looks like at halfway through. We'll flip it over, put some oil on the other side, and cook it for another 5 minutes. So here are the air fryer pork egg rolls, and rounding out the meal is quinoa and brown rice. Let's see what Dave thinks. Homemade sweet and sour sauce.
Okay. These are hot. These are really hot.
Wait a while if you want to.
That's pretty good. Is that what's in it?
pork and soy sauce and broccoli slaw.
Okay. This tastes a little different. I can't really say what's different about it. I like it though. I don't know. It's just a little different than what I've had in the restaurant, but it doesn't taste as much like what I think of as a sweet and sour sauce, but it is kind of sweet and it is kind of sour. There's just a little variation on it that I can't really explain, but I actually like the flavor of it. And these are good too. They're just hot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.